It's everywhere, yet we hardly notice it. Tin, an element often overlooked, plays a crucial role in our daily lives. From the smartphones we use to the food we consume, tin's influence is undeniable. Its journey through history is a testament to its versatility and importance. Ancient civilizations recognized tin's value millennia ago. The Bronze Age, a period marked by significant technological advancement, owes its existence to tin. This remarkable metal continues to shape our world in ways we often overlook. The story of tin is one of hidden impact, a silent partner in human progress. Let's delve deeper into the world of this unsung hero and uncover the fascinating ways it shapes our modern lives. Tin's story is a reminder that even the most unassuming elements can have a profound impact. Tin, in its purest form, is a silvery white metal known for its malleability and resistance to corrosion. Extracted primarily from cassiterite ore, tin's journey from the earth to our everyday products is a testament to human ingenuity. The process of transforming raw cassiterite ore into usable tin involves several stages. These include mining, crushing, separation, smelting, and refining. Each step is crucial in ensuring that we obtain high-quality tin for various applications. The Bronze Age, dating back to around 3300 BC, marked a pivotal moment in human history. The alloying of tin with copper produced bronze, a metal significantly harder and more durable than its predecessors. This innovation led to the creation of superior tools, weapons, and ornaments, ushering in a new era of human civilization. In today's digital age, tin plays a critical role in the electronics that power our lives. It is an essential component of solder, the material used to connect electronic components in virtually every electronic device. Solder typically consists of tin alloyed with other metals like lead, silver, or copper. This mixture melts at a lower temperature, allowing for the precise joining of delicate electronic components. The reliability and performance of our smartphones, computers, and countless other devices rely heavily on these tiny but crucial tin-based connections. Tin's role in electronics extends beyond soldering. It is also used in the production of transparent conductive films, essential components of touchscreens, LCD displays, and solar cells. The next time you scroll through your phone or watch a video on your laptop, remember the unseen contribution of tin. Tin's ability to resist corrosion makes it ideal for packaging, especially for food and beverages. Tin-plated steel, commonly known as tin plate, is widely used in the production of cans for preserving a vast array of products. The process of tin plating involves applying a thin layer of tin to steel sheets. This protective layer acts as a barrier against moisture, air, and microorganisms, preventing spoilage and extending the shelf life of food and beverages. Imagine a world without canned goods. Tin's contribution to food preservation is undeniable. Tin plate's lightweight, durable, and recyclable properties make it a sustainable choice for packaging. The next time you reach for a can of soup or vegetables, take a moment to appreciate the role of tin in ensuring food safety and convenience. Section 5. A brighter future. Tin in renewable energy. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy solutions, tin is emerging as a key player in the renewable energy sector, particularly in the production of solar panels. Its unique properties make it an ideal material for enhancing the efficiency of solar cells. Tin is used in the transparent conductive oxide layer of thin film solar cells. This layer allows sunlight to pass through while collecting electrical current generated by the solar cell. Tin's use in solar technology highlights its adaptability and significance in shaping a greener future. The growing demand for solar energy is driving research into improving the efficiency and affordability of solar panels. Tin, with its unique properties and relatively low cost, is well positioned to play an even more significant role in this rapidly evolving field. Section 6. Tin in plain sight everyday applications. Beyond its hidden applications in electronics and packaging, tin is also found in various everyday items. From the cars we drive to the mirrors we use, tin's versatility is evident in countless aspects of our daily lives. Tin alloys are used in the production of bearings, pistons and other automotive components due to their low friction properties and resistance to wear and tear. Tin's ability to form corrosion-resistant coatings makes it ideal for protecting steel, copper and other metals from rust and degradation. Tin is also essential in the float glass process, a method for producing perfectly flat glass used in windows, mirrors and other applications. The molten glass is floated on a bed of molten tin, resulting in a smooth and uniform surface. Section 7, treading lightly, sustainability and recycling of tin. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, the sustainability of materials is paramount. Fortunately, tin boasts excellent recyclability, making it a responsible choice for a circular economy. Recycling tin not only conserves natural resources but also reduces energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Tin plate, commonly used in food and beverage cans, is highly recyclable and can be recycled repeatedly without losing its quality. The recycling process involves melting down used cans and other tin plate products and using the recovered tin to create new materials. Recycling rates for tin vary globally, but efforts are underway to improve collection and processing infrastructure. By choosing products made with recycled tin and responsibly recycling tin-containing items, we can contribute to a more sustainable future. Section 8, looking ahead, the future landscape of tin. Despite its remarkable qualities and wide range of applications, tin faces challenges. The global supply of tin is finite and demand continues to rise, driven by the growth of electronics, renewable energy and other industries. Researchers are actively exploring new sources of tin, including seabed mining and extracting tin from recycled electronics. Additionally, efforts are underway to develop alternative materials and technologies that can reduce our reliance on tin. The future of tin will likely involve a combination of increased recycling, responsible sourcing, and technological innovation. By understanding the challenges and opportunities associated with tin, we can make informed choices that ensure its sustainable use for generations to come. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of tin. Tin, often unnoticed yet ever present, plays a vital role in shaping our modern world. From the electronics that connect us to the packaging that preserves our food, tin's influence is undeniable. Its journey from ancient civilizations to the forefront of modern technology is a testament to its versatility and enduring significance. As we navigate the challenges of a rapidly changing world, tin's importance in maintaining a connected and sustainable society cannot be overstated. The story of tin is a reminder that even the most unassuming elements can have a profound impact on our lives. By understanding and appreciating the role of tin, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our world and the materials that shape it.